Welcome back, guys. So let's take a look at the BTC USDT trading pair with my customer cassette. So first one, we didn't drop to this zone what I marked before. So it can be the good and the bad same time, because the bad moment, if we didn't sweep this liquidity pool, because we formed the almost the equal, or I guess even the equal. So 74,457 on the Binance futures, and here's a 74,555. So we didn't sweep that low, so it means we formed the equal lows, and it's just a matter of time when we'll come back and sweep it. It's a bad moment, so of course would be much better if we just sweep this one, retest the block, and go higher. I'm still waiting that target what I shared before. It's 139k. It's now on the weekly time frame exit line 135k. On the daily time frame on the futures, it's 120k, and we will come back, double check on Bitfinex, the global one. So here's no money inflow. The last money inflow was here in November. On the weekly, daily, yes, some money inflow, like 2 days in a row was money inflow. Now nothing. So this bounce without a money inflow, it's kind of bad. I showed you the local FIB, this one. So usually we come back and drop to 27 blocks. So this is like on the weekly we count. Drop, impulse, bounce, almost test 38, and it should be this one, 72k 390, 68 285. So this is a potential, and also this is going to be the retest of the order block, fulfill of weekly and the monthly, because also will not drop to the fulfill. So for me, it will be much better if we drop a little bit lower. Now it's a Monday, so I guess tomorrow we drop and the bounce. Also the bad moment can be if we just fulfill the gap on CMA. Now we get like 84, 83k gap, crash, and the bounce. Based on this FIB, we can rebound even to 154. I don't think so we will skyrocket to 154, but it's possible if the liquidity from the gold will start inflowing to BTC. But basically, BTC already performed pretty well. The only open question is for the altcoins, so that's the problem. The negative, guys, scenario with this sweep or without this sweep, if we are start going so deep into the bear market, we can just rebound to 103, because if we sweep this low, it means we're gonna break the structure on the weekly and even the monthly time frame. And after that, we can drop like this one and even to 38k. Not now. Take a look, the buy line on the weekly time frame, but lines, all lines are dynamic, is 60k 374. I don't think so. We will see it now. If we will, maybe it's going to be the bottom for BTC. Technically, it's possible. The last time we drop it even under fundamental value of the BTC on a weekly, this time we can just retest of buy line and go higher. I explained in my position about a BTC, so I don't like the word about a cycle. I mean, every single next years, we will see the less gains on the BTC and the less drops. Because the model when the BTC should pump like crazy and after that 75% drop doesn't work anymore. The same like many other things from the previous cycles. Take a look the chart what we track BTC USD on a beat stomp. So this one. This is a 60k 394. It's a buy line on the weekly. Also, I don't think so. We will drop and test that buy line now. But these equal lows definitely will sweep. Monthly here, the test exit line above is 61k 951. People always laughing, so it's impossible. We will never drop that low. What are you talking about, guys? We all the time come back and test at these lines. So just a matter of time when what we can't know the time. So like conclusion is, I think now the best option it's to sweep the liquidity at 72k, 71, maybe 69 is going to be the total fear, extreme fear in the market, because even the Michael Saylor will be in losses. And on that panic, we can see the many liquidations, and it's going to be the great time or rebound to at least 105, 115k. Close the monthly gap, and this is going to be the point of decision. So when we rebound, it will be the open question: should we continue the rally if the liquidity inflow from the metals, silver and the gold into the BTC, or not? If not, and the cash going to be the king, and big guys just wrecked everyone, and just take cash from the silver, from the gold, from Nvidia, from the MicroStrategy, maybe start selling their BTC, and we will see the crazy panic and crash it down, because the buy line now on the monthly it's 27. Lines are dynamic. I think the bottom for BTC will be approximately around 40k, around for the volume now is 44. So locally now I wish to see that drop to 70, 71, 72. 61k is a buy line on the daily. So it's around 61, 60k. It's a buy line on the weekly and the daily. But I don't think so. We're going to drop now. Buy line on the take profit line on the daily now 120k, and 136k. It's a exit line on the daily. 12-hour time frame here. Take profit line 118. The buy line 60k. So now it's just like a range. So this was a top December 24. And if it is the range, and we form just a deviation at the top, for example, so here, for example, this is the range. And bottom, top, now we should drop, form deviation, and should form deviation at the top. After that, drop. So hunt liquidity from both sides. That's why, for me personally, it would be much, much better if we drop now. On other indicators, guys, ADZ direction. Daily, it's not a time to sell. Technically, it's accumulation. Weekly time frame also I showed you. It's here's accumulation. Here's the size of accumulation. Now this is also accumulation around accumulation zone. So technically, it's not a like distribution. And this soon we will see some signals for accumulation, like it was in September, August 2022 until January 2023. We've been in accumulation based on a direction indicator on the weekly. But the problem is, if we drop now to 78k, for example, bounce again, it can be the long chop period once again till some end of 2027. It can be the boring market. But I wish to see this sweep, because now the sentiment on the market and the like conclusion, everybody waiting BTC at 50k. It would be good to see this one drop, for example, 52, 50, go higher. We will see how it goes. So now, if you want to accumulate BTC, I'm recommend you better wait lower price targets, because it's too early. Even if BTC pump 100%, it's not a good risk ratio. Market mood. Wow, it's capitulation, guys. Imagine now we sit at 77k, almost 78, and we are on the weekly time frame in the capitulation zone. Last time capitulation been here in May 2022 till December 2022. The gray color. Nice. So soon we will fight the bottom. Money power I showed you. Take profit I showed you. Trade on. We got, by the way, alerts. Take profit, signals, strong signals, sell signals. A lot of signals we added, and still no one is triggered. Here, still no signal to take profit from this sell. It's kind of bad. Daily, sell, take profit, buy, recommendation, close position. So no signal to sell new one. So that's why I wish to see one more sweep liquidity and bounce. So how high we can bounce, it's hard to say. At least 108, maybe 115, And after that, we'll see the macro things in the world. If Donald Trump not posts something unpredictable, and the market will crash again, like it was in October, to hell. So, guys, like conclusion, no rush, because now the people on that bounce start talking about, oh, it's immediately recover move. I don't think so. We have some big troubles because of huge liquidity pool here under. It was like a magnet for the market makers to sweep that low. So, guys, I hope you like this video. Right? Please send a comment what you think about BTC. If you like to trade with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, John Montegrum channel. See you next time, guys.